Hey, this is Ricky Figueroa here. This video I'm going to show you a little bit more about Facebook ads. What we're gonna do here, we're just gonna show you a little bit about the um, back office in Facebook. This is where you create your campaigns. This is your ad set level. This is your ads. This is where you create the ad copy and so on. This is where you do the targeting, and this is where you create the whole campaign. Um, Basically, with affiliate marketing, we are going to be dealing with traffic, PPEs, video views, and conversions. And just bear with me when I say what I mean with that. If you're a newbie for Facebook ads, let's create one ad so I could show you what I mean. This is the this is what we're gonna be dealing with. Traffic is gonna say, Facebook gonna find people that just like to click on things. So this is traffic. Engagement are for people who likes to like, comment, share your ad. This is good to lower the amount of money per click or per conversions and so on. But you sometimes you could get sales from engagement. Video views, if your offer has a video, in which you should focus on videos. This is where you want to start on video views and engagement. Messages, that's more advanced. There is a way to do affiliate marketing with that, and I have that. How to do this in the advanced course that I have. Conversions, basically you are paying for Facebook to for people who likes to go to the landing page, buy or sign up. That's a conversion. That's a lead conversion. When they buy, it's a purchase conversion. So in this example, I'm gonna stick to video views. So that's it for now. I'm gonna show you all these steps. The second page, so you can see on your left side, we have the campaign level, we have the ad set, we have the ad level. Right now we are the ad level, ad set, with the audience, the placement, budget, and schedule. So this is where you're going to do your targeting. In the example, I think I'm gonna use a dog product or something like that. So this is where you are going to target the country, targeting United States. We are targeting the age 18 to 65, including men and women. You could add the language if you want: English, Spanish, German, Italian, whatever. And this is where the magic goes. This is the most important part right here. Is just let's say we're targeting dog lovers. Just dog lovers. And then if you click on suggestions, Facebook will help you find more targeting things related to that dog lover, like puppy love, dogs, pets at home, dog training, dog trust. You know, these are the things that you have to keep in mind when you go to ClickBank and look for products. If you have something to dog training related, guess what? Facebook will find the people that are like interested in dog training and so on. So you could create a nice ad for those people. Just keep in mind that when you do the ad, just keep in mind, try to solve a problem. You know, when in your ad copy, try to mention the pain point, and then how to solve that problem. Why they should click on your ad, because you're solving a problem. Dog food, dog walking, puppy engage, and so on. These are more relationships, not related to dogs, but some people, you never know. Some people that are engaged, maybe they do have dogs and stuff like that. But it's kind of strange. But Facebook, you have to try a lot of different interests, and I suggest you just try one interest per ad set. So, but it's up to you how you want to do it. If you want to mix all of them in one, I don't recommend that. I suggest you just do one interest per ad set and test at least 10, 15, or 5 to 10 to 15, as many as you can, $4, $3, $5 a day, and see which one of them are converting using the tracking. Remember the tracking? We're gonna just link everything together in the next video. But for now, I'm just showing you the back office kind of on Facebook. With placements, there are certain ways that you could just target people here, your feeds, instant articles. Most of the time, we're just gonna deal with feeds. We're just gonna uncheck everything here. Instagram. I don't recommend targeting Facebook and Instagram at the same time, because Facebook will pick one anyway for better conversions. So just don't waste money. If you're gonna do Facebook, do Facebook. If you're gonna do Instagram, just do Instagram only, and so on. Don't worry about the audience network. That's for native ads and stuff like that. So don't worry about that for now. Um, Here, mobile devices, you can just target Android, iOS, or feature phones. Just leave all mobile devices, because right now you're in the testing phase. You're not optimizing. In my advanced course, I go over optimization and so on. With this course, I'm just teaching you the basics. Budget is up to you. I recommend 5 and higher per day, so you can start testing. When it comes to video views, like to the second 10-second video views will deliver your ads to the right people, help you get the most out of the video. So basically, Facebook will find people that watch at least 10 seconds of your video minimum, that they're gonna do their best. That's why your video has to go straight to the point, showing the pain point and how to solve it in 10 seconds. That's what I recommend, but it's up to you. That's something, that's a skill that you have to um, grow on your own. But focus on those 10-second video views. And here is just where you write down your ad copy. This is where you connect your pages. If you don't have a page right now, just create a new one right here. I'm gonna go over how to set up a Facebook fan page on another video. Then this is your Instagram single video or slideshow. Use single video. Add your video here when you create it or you download it from the internet, and this is where you write down your ad copy. As soon as you start writing here, you will see the changes on the right side. Just keep adding stuff there, and you will see what I mean. Always add your Facebook pixel. We're gonna cover that later in another video. I'm gonna show you how to add the Facebook pixel to your landing page, to any landing page. And then once you're done writing your ad copy, just you click confirm, and then Facebook will approve or deny your ad. If you have more questions about how not to get approved or how to get approved, just go to Facebook ads help and write down what is allowed and what is not allowed. Basically, if you write down the ad copy like promising people how to make money, you will not get approved. So that's why with the strategy that I'm about to show you, from the Facebook ads to the landing page to the offer, you should be good to go. But now it's up to you to write down a good ad copy. That's why I prefer to use the script generator inside of the Builderall, and also use the ad spy to get an idea of how to create a nice ad copy and then adjust it. If you need more help with copywriting, just use the script generator. Try that. If not, just outsource that piece and you should be good to go. Then, like I said, just go confirm and you should be good to go. Now let's install the Facebook pixel on a landing page. If you go to the ads manager here, you go to pixels, and then find your pixel. Find your ad account. These are the ad accounts. If you're a newbie, you maybe have one. Just make sure you don't use your personal ad account, and make sure you add your billing and everything here. There are many videos how to set up that. Just make sure you have your billing set up, and then once you have everything set up, just go to your pixels, and this is your pixel ID. Just copy whatever you have there. Once you create a pixel, if you don't have a pixel, just add data source on Facebook pixel and just create one, and then it will give you a pixel ID. And then all you have to do, you just click on setup. Just write down this pixel, write it down or put it in a note or notepad or something. Set up the pixel, manually install the code yourself, then scroll down copy this. I'll be right back. And once you copy that pixel, it's copied to your clipboard, or you have to just go to your landing page when you create the account under Builderall, under drag and drop pixel pixel, my sites, new website. Pick your landing page. Let me show you real quick how to pick a landing page really quick. Just click that new website. Go to landing pages, landing page. Pick any page of your choice so you can edit the page. Once you are inside the page, just click edit. And this step you only do it once. It's very easy. And the pixel is very, very, very important when it comes to the pixel. That way Facebook will work for you. Basically, once you do the interest, the targeting, Facebook needs that data that coming from the pixel to help you find the right audience and help you hopefully get more sales, more leads, depending on your offer. But this is a very, very important step that you need to make. Um, in my advanced course, I go over more in detail about this, and you will have more information as you go in this training on how to get the advanced course from me or any coaching. I'm gonna follow a different landing page that I have here. This is when it's loading. It's kind of slow because I'm recording while I was bringing it up. Okay, so to install the pixel, all you have to do is just go to this right here. Boom. Click here. Click on this one right here. And this one where it says Facebook pixel, you paste it there. Click save. And you should be good to go. That's it. That's how you install the pixel. You save your stuff. You save it here. You save it again. And right now, this is the landing page that you're gonna work with. So let's save it. Let me put a name so I can remind myself. This is the landing page that we're going to use for this course. So AM, AM, send. Usually you have to save it twice. See, you have to save it again, and then you should be good to go. Now at this point we have the landing page already saved, ready to go. Then we go back here. We go to my sites. We're gonna verify if the pixel got installed in our landing page. So go to more options, publish. Let's go to the page, and this should turn blue right here. You see, this one turns blue. This is the Facebook Pixel Helper. I need you to download that. You just go to Google and say Chrome App Store, and then go to Chrome Apps. Put Facebook Pixel Helper, and then just install it. Here it says rated because I already installed it, but just install it and then put it somewhere here in this area. If you have a lot of apps like me, just put it there, and that's how you verify that you have your pixel installed. So you can see right here it has the pixel ID. Remember that name, that number that we looked before. I told you to write it down. See that the number match, A12 8012 8012. So it should match a number and you should be good to go. So right now, let me cover something. I already covered something about the targeting. So when you create the ads, just keep in mind the targeting is the most important part. So we already covered that with the dog lovers and so on. Make sure you target only one interest per ad set. When we do the first test, how to create the ads, I'm gonna go over more in detail. But in this video, I just covered the intro to Facebook ads, how to create the ads, where the campaigns are, the ad set, the ads, how to create really fast. I went over how to create any Facebook ads fast. So in the next video and future videos, I'm gonna go a little bit slower, but just to show you the intro about Facebook ads, install the pixel and make sure um, how to track, how do you know that the pixel is working or not. So that's it for now, and see you until the next one.